Gracie, what are you eating? Birthday cake? Is it called birthday cake ice cream?
So yummy.
You like it? Uncle Davey got that for us.
Mmm.
Oh, that is so yummy. It has sprinkles?
I have sprinkles on it.
It has sprinkles on it? Wow. Mmm. It's so yummy. Oh.
This is the white side.
Yeah.
It's the white.
Yeah, it's white and blue. Do you see the blue? Is it so yummy? Yeah.
This is the white spoon. It's a white spoon. It's a white spoon. It's a white spoon.
It's a white spoon?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It fell down. Did you get it? Will Mama help you? Oh, you got it. Yum. Oh, you got it. It's delicious. Okay.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake ice cream. Yeah, that flavor
Birthday
is
cake.
birthday cake.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Oh, it's so yummy.
Yummy birthday ice cream.
Good. Okay. Prin, are you having your birthday cake ice cream? She said, yes, I am. All right. Good job. Okay, goodbye.